You're considering a pressure washing service and you think they're all the same. After all, those really satisfying videos make it look amazing when it's finished. They look great, right? Wrong. The dirt may be gone, but the real problem is still lurking within the surface. And if the company used that special spray, then they could be killing everything around it without you even knowing it. Today, I'm breaking down the hidden problems with traditional pressure washing and why so many companies cut corners when they're offering that patio washing service. I'll be revealing what that amazing solution is that they're always using and why it could be damaging everything around it, and the one thing you must do to get your patio clean and keep it clean long term. Here in the UK, we're in a very damp and moist environment, and it doesn't matter how good your pressure washing service is, sometimes if it isn't followed up with some sort of treatment, you will potentially see algae and lichen creeping back in very quickly. Pressure washing uses the pressure of the water to push dirt away. It doesn't actually kill anything, it just removes it from the surface. The problem with that is if you wanted to actually remove every trace of lichen, algae and other soiling buildup, you'd have to have such a high pressure that it would damage the surface that you're trying to clean. That means within weeks you can get this buildup starting to creep back in and you'll start to see the signs of staining again. And potentially you just wasted your money. See those little white dots? That's lichen, and its roots go really deep into the surface, and by blasting it away too much just spreads the spores. You're just removing the top coat, not anything within, and it can just come back. Domestic machines certainly aren't powerful enough, and commercial machines, like I say, would damage the surface. So what do the professionals do to prevent that? And this is where some professionals cut corners. And there's two ways to cut corners. Firstly, you don't apply any solution at all. You leave all the work down to the pressure of your pressure washer. That means, like I've just said, it will come back. You're not fully cleaning it. It's cheap, it's easy for the service provider, but it's not fully removing everything. Now, don't get me wrong, we do offer a completely chemical-free service for pressure washing, but that's just for those that want it and understand that no chemical will still leave some there. Therefore, you have to repeat the service on a regular basis. The second option is they will choose a treatment solution, but they choose sodium hypochlorite. Now, sodium hypochlorite, also known as hypo, is actually bleach. Yes, you heard that, it is bleach. By drenching the surface in hypo, it will kill off all the lichen and algae and anything else that thinks it's gonna come back through. Here's the problem though. Bleach can break down stone, it can fade colours and damage surrounding plants and wildlife if it gets into the water and things like that. It is a very sensitive product. You have to make sure you mix it right and you have to be extremely careful with it. Plus, if it's not rinsed properly, it will leave a residue on the surface that can cause more damage over time. This is one of the reasons why there's so many horror stories. So if pressure washing's not enough and hypo's not good for the environment or the surface it's being applied to, what are the answers? In this day and age, it's actually quite simple. A professional service done right will apply a pre-treatment, it will use a softer pressure wash over the top, and then it will apply a preventative post-treatment after. What happens is the pre-treatment is an environmentally friendly biocide. That starts to kill the buildup, the lichen, the algae, and it starts to make it lift away from the surface. That then enables you to use a lower pressure when you're doing the pressure washing. That type of thing is especially important if you're doing something like roof cleaning, because you can actually reduce the pressure right the way down and prevent any damage with wider fins as well on your jets, which means there's no damage caused. If you want to find out more about that, click the link above, head over to our video that explains whether or not roof cleaning actually damages your roof. That will then deliver an amazing result. Your patio or driveway will look awesome, but you want to prevent it coming back. So you'll use another biocide to prevent the regrowth. Using the right one can actually give you results for in excess of 2 years. In fact, for our cleaning service, we guarantee no regrowth for 2 whole years. The last thing to remember is not all cleaning companies are equal. There is so much misinformation out there, it is crazy. Some will tell you you need heat, some will tell you you need massive pressures, others will tell you that you need really harsh chemicals, although they won't call it harsh chemicals. So before you choose a cleaning service, or even if you're going to do this yourself, you need to remember that not all cleaning solutions or all cleaning services are equal. If you're doing this yourself and you're looking for a solution, double check the packaging. Most off-the-shelf products are ready diluted hypo, but you can find some biocides that will be environmentally friendly. So look hard and see what you can find. If you're looking to recruit a contractor for your pressure washing service, then remember not all companies are equal. Look at reviews. Let's see what their results are. But also you want to double check their results. The thing is with this service is it can look amazing the day they finish. Have a look in 3 to 6 months time and it's exactly the same again. It's already come back. Ask them about their process. Ask them what they use. Do they pre-treat? Do they put a preventative down afterwards? And do they clean on really high pressures? Combine that with will they give you any sort of guarantee of the results afterwards, and you should be on the right track. And you're probably wondering why you should trust me. I've just told you there is so much misinformation out there, and I've also told you that we offer this service. Well, I'm Lee and I run Vapor Clean Cleaning Services, a 7-figure business that I started back in 2012. Back then, I was a specialist technician out on the road delivering the cleaning services. Today, we still offer a vast range of specialist cleaning services as well as commercial contract cleaning. For me now though, my job is to make sure that we are ahead of the competition and we know the best methods and equipment to deliver our services. This channel on YouTube is our way of giving back to you and to help us obviously promote the business. Therefore, you can find hints and tips, product and equipment reviews, as well as a little behind the scenes of Vapor Clean to see exactly what it's really like to run a cleaning business. And that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching. If you just want to see more hints and tips on how to clean better, faster and for less money, then click the subscribe button below and turn on that notification bell. Or if you're in the Southwest and looking for any type of cleaning service, why not click the link in the description and head over to our website and let us know what help you need. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.